Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be doing 3 or 4 or more, I should say, summer DIY projects that you can use if you like in your home or wherever. Very easy things. Some things I got from the Dollar Tree, some from Hobby Lobby, and some things right around my home. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way every time I do a video you will be notified. Thank you. Okay, now this is some items I'm going to be using that I got. I got this from Amazon, something I had ordered, this box. And I'm going to also be using some knobs that I had gotten from a thrift store. And I'm also going to be using the foam board that I had laying around the house and the spray paint. Um, this is a foam board. And then I also got the spray paint from Home Depot. So this is what I'm going to start my project out with. Okay, well, I put the foam board on top of here, which I will remove it. Um, I thought I wanted it for, I thought it would give me a smoother surface, but it did not. So here I'm going to remove it, and I'm only going to use, I had ordered a roll of glamour, they call it glitter paper. It kind of reminds you of contact paper. Here I'm trying to see about adding, you know how we try different things. So I thought I was going to add the mirrors, which I did get these mirrors. I had them for quite a while. I ordered them, a case of them from the Dollar Tree. I've had them for so long. But it wasn't really working for me to place them here. And so I decided to add the glitter paper that I got from Amazon, which will be in my description box below. And so I'm going to use that on the top of it. And so I would do that. And I also ordered some rhinestones, a sheet of that, a roll of that from Amazon that I will be adding also to the top of my box. So I was having a problem with one end of the tape, but I do end up with the one end having to use my heat gun, which that will also be in the description. I got the heat gun from Amazon. So this is the one on the end. I was having a hard time with it. So I decided just to use my heat gun to get it removed. But I will add it on the top, as I said, of the box. And you will be surprised at the things that you can do from little projects you have just from home. So I'm measuring it here, and I will use some tape to kind of tape it down for me. So once I get the size that I want, I will, cut it out, and it have a little adhesive on the back of it, so it don't seem to be as sticky as contact paper, but it does hold fine. So it will work out here when I put it on the top of the box. And I'm really trying very hard not to, overuse, by not, want to make sure with all of these things you have to measure it properly. Not to say that I really did, but it does come off nicely, and when you get ready to peel it off, it don't stick. So I really, so far, this is my first time using it, and I'm liking it. I didn't have any, so far, no problems. It was my first project with it. So I will keep you guys posted. And with this, you can use it. A lot of people use it to decorate their bathrooms, whatever. So you can do whatever you decide to do with um, with this paper here. And like I said, was having a little problems with the tape, so I decided to use my heat gun just to get it removed. And I'm gonna put it on the top, and toward the end, it does come out, I think, nicely. So And I'm going to, when I finish with it, give it to one of my daughters because she's redoing her bedroom, one of her bedrooms and her bathroom. So she's going with the glamour look. So I figured I would add that. And so I ended up using the glitter, not the glitter, the rhinestones um, beads. And I did get those from Amazon as well because where the box closed at it, you could really see it. So this is the reason why I tried to cover it up by using the glamour rhine, not the glamour, the rhinestones across the center of it, and I think it turned out cute toward the end. And here I'm just trying to. I didn't cut it; it was getting too close to my box, so I decided I would just glue it down. So I did finish with that, and I do put my little rhinestones on the center, like I said. And right here, what I'm doing is cutting because it was a little bit hanging over. So I'll go all around and cut them off. Because and of course I still will be able to use the extra ones that I'm removing because it was covering the little legs and I didn't want that, so I thought toward the end it was best to cut them off. And you really can't tell anything with it. It makes it look nice to me because either way it could have worked out okay, but I just didn't want the legs showing, I mean being hid after I went through the trouble of adding them to it. So I think it turned out kind of cute. And I do end up adding one of the mirrors. I was trying to decide how I was going to do it, but I added one of the mirrors to it. And this is the finishing touch of my little glamour table. Please let me know what you think and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.